Hey guys, it's Sebastian here. In this video, I'm going to get into my computer, show you guys a few live examples of new angles for products. So how people go out, find these products that are pretty generic and just a broad audience, and then they go in and they niche down to a specific audience and make stupid amounts of money doing so because they find this super targeted audience that hasn't really been sold to for this product. And they sort of just create a need for the product and then make a ton of money because it's normally such an unsaturated market where they can just go in and dominate the market. So I'm going to show you a few dropshipping stores and then also a big company that has done so. And then I'm also going to show you guys exactly how I did something similar by using Amazon and all of that stuff. So I'm just going to get into my computer. Before we get into my computer, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below because I post daily dropshipping content. Now that is out of the way though, let's get into my computer. We're in my computer now, and I'm going to start with this mini fridge, which is what I sold last year. It's one of my six-figure products. If you guys didn't see that video, click up here. It's revealing my six-figure product and all the headaches that came with it. But that's not what I'm talking about in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I picked who to target for this product, and then I'll go through a few other websites, products, and then a huge company and show you guys exactly how they do it. So first thing I did, I came to ratings and I essentially scrolled down and started seeing if people were like posting that they used it for other stuff. So this was a good review right here that 449 people found helpful, and if you'll see the photos once these load, it's tons of skincare stuff and vitamins and all of that good stuff. And if you'll see in their text review, they said they bought it to store skincare items that they like to keep cold. And so I was like, okay, that's really cool that they say that, and that's really cool that it is used to do that. And then I started seeing a lot of people saying skincare, you know, they buy it for skincare, which was a big trend. And I was like, wow, this is actually pretty huge that you can buy this product that's a generic fridge that's being sold for anything, and people are using it for skincare. So that's what I ended up doing. I was just going through this and I was like, okay, this is an angle I can target. And the cool thing about this product is no one had really, like, there had been a few people that had tried to sell it as a skincare fridge and they'd done okay, but no one was actively running Facebook ads, which is when I was like, okay, we can dominate the hell out of this market and make a ton of money. Now, if you guys did see that video where I exposed the product, obviously a lot of headaches came up because of a lot of things. And again, if you guys haven't seen that video, I do suggest checking it out. But nonetheless, this was a good product. And this was very eye-opening because it showed me that there was a lot of potential to have new angles for products. A lot of people think that this is something where it's like it happens once and that's it. But there are a lot of products that you can do this with. They come out every single year and you can go in and create your own little pocket for the product and have a new angle at the targeting to where you can make a lot of new money because it hasn't been ran, there haven't been ads that have been ran for it that much. Now, this is another product that I've actually sold. I believe I sold it last year. I'm pretty sure it was last year or 2 years ago. So they're orthopedic sandals. I'm doing air quotes. Orthopedic sandals for women. In reality, they're just sandals. Like, I'm being completely honest. They're just sandals on Alibaba and AliExpress. But they have this structure, and then I use this pretty much the same GIF to show the support benefits of the product. And this is the product. This is their product page, but that's not really important. I want to talk about the product. If you guys have been around the dropshipping community for a while, you know posture products sell really well, and stuff that helps people's body, they sell really well because a lot of people have those issues. Even myself, I usually sit a little hunched over rather than, back and up straight in my chair, which means I could probably benefit from a posture brace. And then a lot of elders have issues walking and have issues with their knees and have issues with their feet. Overall, they just have issues with their body. As your body gets older, a lot of issues start to present themselves. It's just how things work. So providing solutions to their problems in the form of, let's just say orthopedic shoes or a posture corrector or a knee brace or something like that, those all sell really well, and those are cool products. But this was an interesting one that I sold that did well. I believe I ended up getting my ad account disabled for a bit and then I got it back. This product specifically though is really interesting because it's essentially just sandals that are marketed as orthopedic sandals. Now, I'm not saying you guys should sell this product as orthopedic sandals. You guys should definitely test out your products before you sell them and make sure that there are legitimate benefits, or you can run into legal issues for false claiming a product. And that's why I no longer sell this product, because I felt a little bad for saying it was orthopedic sandals when in reality they weren't really that orthopedic in my opinion. But this is nonetheless a good example of how you can create new angles for products. After I edited this video, I was on Facebook and this ad was shown to my feed, so I decided I'm going to add this in the video. This is another good example of angles for a product. So I've mentioned this product. It's the knee brace that has springs in them to make it easier to lift things and all that stuff. So if you guys see here in the ad, and And sorry I don't have a face cam. My camera's charging now. But look, so right off the bat, they show new reasons to use the product. A biker is carrying his bike up the stairs, and in order to do so, he has the knee braces on his legs to help with that issue. Or if a worker, as you guys saw right there, the worker was carrying a bag, or like he was lifting stuff up for work, that's another good reason that people would buy the product. Rather than just saying, this is a knee brace that can help you with all of your issues, you get very specific in the video and say, hey, this is a product that will help you out with this specific issue. And as you guys see, the video has 1.4 mil views, which means they've probably done 6 figures with this video alone. And then they also have 423 comments, which is definitely a good sign. Now, a lot of people say this product is saturated. If you guys look, this was posted a month ago, and it's not like it was posted a year ago and it has the 1.4 million views. This was just a month ago, which means they launched the product and scaled it pretty heavily to actually get to where they're at right now. But overall, it's just one of those things where it's like you have this product that's sort of a generic product, and you go in and you create these new demands for the product, such as, this is another one, run faster. So if people are wanting to run faster, now you're introducing that benefit. And then lift heavier. If someone has issues with lifting things, you show them the product and show them that it solves this issue. Or live healthier if you're trying to play tennis. They're showing the audience a ton of benefits as to why you should buy this product and why it will benefit your life. And they're going real specific. Like, they're showing people riding bikes and playing golf and playing tennis and just tons of stuff. And then they also do show that benefit right there that you can do it. Let me skip back to it. Right here, where you can do it under your pants and it's hidden, or you can wear it over. I don't know who would wear these over their pants. Honestly, that would look a little weird if I'm being completely honest. But that is nonetheless just a great example of showing a very generic product. Like, this is just a generic knee brace. And then they go in and show prime examples of people using it to work out, to lift weights, to walk lighter, to just do tons of things. So now when they show all these benefits, they have people in their head making connections to specific examples as to where they could see this product benefiting them in their life, rather than just saying, hey, this is a generic knee brace, it could solve your problem, buy it now. They're saying, like, you can live healthier, you can lift weights, you can do all this stuff, and this is why you should buy the product. So this is nonetheless a great example of a product that was very general. It was just a general knee brace, and then these people go in and you create, it's not like you're creating these demands and these needs, it's just you're showing it to specific audiences and saying, hey, if you walk or you run and it hurts your knees, maybe buy this product and it'll make it easier. Or if it's hard to stand, buy this product and it will make it easier for you. So they're definitely going hard at specific angles, which is what you guys should definitely try to look for when you're finding products. The next product is Bunion Corrector Sandals. I know I've done 2 shoes because these are just very interesting. The benefit of these sandals is they allegedly hug your big toe and then they push in the bunions to potentially correct the bunions. I'm using air quotes because I'm not sure if these claims are legit. I'm just simply saying this is how they're selling the product and they're targeting and all that stuff. They are running Google ads, and same with this sandal store. These stores are both actively running Google ads, so I'm sure they're making a killing with the product, because if someone has bunions and they don't want to get surgery, they may search for this product, and if this product helps a little bit, that may be beneficial for them, which is why both the products probably make a really good amount of money every single day. Hopefully you guys now are understanding why certain products like this sell so well and why creating new angles is very important. So this product in specifics is just like, people have probably marketed this as a fashion sandal and they probably didn't do well. And then if someone reintroduced the product as bunion correcting shoes, then if you have bunions, which is very niche down, it's not like every woman has them. Actually, I'm not really sure how that works. I'm not a woman, and I think it's just for women. I'm not positive, but let's say you have bunions and now you're searching for a solution. These pop up. It's very niche specific. You buy these and you fix your bunions. Very simple, and it's a good product that can solve a problem, which is what you want. Solve a big problem, which is simply because a lot of women suffer from bunions. All of these examples are really cool and all, but I want to get into a huge company that has done this, found a generic product, and just created a new audience for it, and now is selling probably hundreds of millions of dollars to this audience. It's pretty impressive, and you guys might know the site. So it is GFuel. I believe GFuel stands for gaming fuel, but essentially it's energy drinks and energy, like pre-workouts almost, targeted towards gamers. I'll go through a few of their products, but I just want to explain, this is something where it's literally just a generic energy drink or like pre-workout powder where they just market it as video game energy drinks that you just drink when you're gaming and you have so much energy to play forever, like on hours on end, and that's the purpose of this product. Now, again, this is nothing more than just a pre-workout. Like it's one of the same supplements that you guys can go to GNC and buy. They just have marketed it as an actual video gaming energy drink. They also went to a whole new level by using influencers to grow their company to where it is right now by doing the FaZe Clan. They have them on most of their GFuel tubs, and then they just have them promoting the product very regularly, probably on a daily basis, which is insane that they've been able to grow to where they are mainly from influencer marketing. Now, all of these products and these websites, they're all cool, and they've all done a very good job of going at a generic product and targeting a specific audience for the product, sort of like creating a need for the product, and that's very cool. That's awesome that they've done that. But the real thing here is I want to make sure you guys understand this can be done a lot. This can be done with many products. There have been so many products that have done this, and if you guys can just find a product like this and then create a new need for the product, you guys can make a lot of money and crush it with dropshipping, which is what I hope for you guys. The next question you guys might present me with is, how do I find these products that I can go out and sell to people who have never seen the product, where it's like a new product and a new need that they never thought they needed? It's pretty much the same way I find all of my products, just going on AliExpress, surfing through what's selling well, and then going on Facebook and just trying to find someone that's running ads for a product. Sometimes you may actually have to search on AliExpress or Alibaba for certain products. Like, just type in random stuff and see if you can come up with ideas, because this is something where it's like someone had to create for the Bunion shoes. Someone had to just create this, like, and say, oh, this is Bunion shoes, and then after that, everyone followed. So if you can do something similar, you can definitely make a lot of money. Now, finding one of these products will be a little difficult, but you will make a lot of money because it's going to be a market that has probably not been tapped into as much as the traditional products that everyone dropships, like projectors or pore cleansers or all that stuff that everyone tries to sell when they're first getting into dropshipping. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys got massive value. If you did, smash the like button and click subscribe below. And then if you guys have questions, comments, or concerns, you can also drop those in the comment section below. Also, I do polls and I do Q&As and stuff on my Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me, I'll leave a link in the description for that. But other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.